Watch as I transform my bathroom from this to this. I wanted to give my bathroom a nude look, so I decided to replace the shower head with a black shower head, and this is a dual combo shower head, so it has a rainfall shower head as well as a handheld shower head. It did come with instructions and all the different pieces, but this is not something I was able to put together, so I had to call somebody to do it. And y'all, I love the matte black finish on this shower head. Like, I just love the elevated look that is about to give my bathroom. This is also a very renter friendly way to elevate your bathroom without losing that security deposit, okay? But anyway, y'all, this was the before and this was the after. Like, you can already tell the difference in how the black stands out in my bathroom. One thing I love about this shower head is how tall it is. It gives me a hotel feel, and you can actually adjust it based on your height. The handheld shower head also has 6 different spray settings, y'all. It's giving spa, it's giving hotel. I love it. I personally love a good handheld shower day because it makes my wash day so much easier. Another thing I love about this is the fact that you have so many options. You can have the rainfall shower head and the handheld one on at the same time, or have them on individually. Anyway, y'all, let me know if y'all like this bathroom upgrade, and you can get this shower head on my Amazon storefront.